Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding with Nishan. Today's lesson 5. We will learn dictionaries. What is dictionary? How we use dictionary? How it is different from array? Okay, so let's get started. So this is the playground project. I'm going to open this and name it something like dictionary, and I'll save it under my channel here. So make it full screen, just double click on the tab. Yeah, okay, so today we will learn what is dictionary, what is dictionary, how we declare dictionary, how it is different from array. Okay, so these are the things which we are going to cover in this video. Okay, let's get started. Okay. So we can say var dict name. Okay, so what is dictionary? Dictionary is nothing but a key value pair of data. So any data will be stored in a particular key, not just like in array. It is on the basis of index. Like on a 0 index there are some value, on a 1 index there is some other value, and a 3 index there is another value, vice versa. But here in dictionary there is no index but a meaningful key, so that you can recognize it easily. You can uh, uh, use as a to assign any value to a meaningful key. So just suppose I took a name var dict name, um, is my dictionary name, and I'm going to give a key name is like name colon my name Peter, and then second is like age colon 34, and then you can say location. Okay, like USA. Okay, so there is no any index, there are proper keys. So name is a key, age is a key, and location is a key, and against each key there is a value. Name contains Peter, age contains 34. Make see it is in double quote, that means I am considering this as a string currently. Location is USA. Okay, if you now try to print dict name. Okay, and wait, see, it will start with a square bracket, end with a square bracket, just the way I declared here, and every key is like location is USA, name is Peter, age is 34. Now if you want to print any specific value, then how you will do that? Okay, so you can do dict name. Just suppose you want to see age. Okay, so just enter age and see 34. Can you see that? So this is how you can print values by using key. If you want to print name, you pick that key and print it something like this. See, 34. So this is how you can use dictionary. So what is dictionary? What is dictionary? Dictionary is the collection of key value pair where each value will be against a key, and that by using that key you can get that value printed. This is dictionary. How we declare dictionary? This is how you can declare your dictionary key, collection of keys against each value. And third is how it is different from array. Array contains every value in index, that is integer value, but here you can use as a string key, which is more meaningful. Okay. Just suppose any key doesn't have any value and you want to access that. How will you handle that situation? Just suppose you have name, you can print age and location. Now if you want to access dob, okay, now if you run it, what it will return? Let's see, it will return nil value. So in dictionary, if any key doesn't have any value and that key doesn't exist, in that case dictionary always return nil value. And if you want to handle nil situation, how you can do that? How to handle nil values? Okay, in that case you can use a default keyword which called unknown. If you declare this value as an unknown, now if you try to print it, it will give you unknown value. You got it? So this is how you can access or handle nil value situation, or any key which is unknown. You can handle that. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my further videos. And if you have any question, concern, you can comment it down below. I will be more happy to help you out. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.